Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm sorry it has to be voiceover, and I'm just going to show you how I achieved this very colorful look. So yeah, if you want to see, keep watching. So first off, I start up with my face primer. This is the Benefit Professional Face Primer. I just apply it on my face. After applying my primer, I'm going to go in with my foundation and this illumination cream. Apparently you're supposed to mix them together, but I didn't want to have like a lot of mess on my hand, so that is why I just mixed it up on my face. So I'm just putting like a little bit of both of them on my face to apply it. So if you notice, I didn't color correct because I don't have like a lot of black spots as usual. But I'm just going to take my blending brush and blend everything. I'm going to be blending and mixing it up so that it won't be highlighter one place and the foundation one place. I'm going to mix it up as I blend. You can see this foundation is quite dewy, but it's a matte foundation, but it gives you that glowy type of skin. That is why I love this foundation. After blending, I'm going to be using my concealer. This is the Zaron face concealer, and I'm just going to be applying it on my face. I'm going to use it to highlight. So you already know the drill about the highlighting, so I'm just going to highlight my face. I blended that out. Yeah, it's a magic. Then I'm going to be setting my face with this Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to be setting the place I just applied the concealers so that it won't move. Then I'm also going to put like some powder underneath my eyes to catch out the fallout from my eyeshadows. And you also do the reverse contour thing. Yeah, check it out. Then I'll be using this Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I think that is it. I'll be using the colors shown, and I'll also be using my P. Louise base in this tutorial. Instead of a concealer, I'll be using my P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I'll just blend that out with a fluffy brush. Then I'll be starting up with this purple color. It's like purple but bluish at the same time, so I don't know what to really name it, but it's a purple color in the palette. And I'm also going to be adding this red orange something. I'm just going to put it halfway. I didn't do all the way, I just made it half. Then I took like an orange neutral eyeshadow to blend the edges of both of the colors together. So now that I have this, I'm going to cut my crease using the same P. Louise base. Then I took a lavender shade. It's a shimmer shade on the eyeshadow palette. I just took it and I'm applying it on the crease which I cut. And yeah, that is all for the eye tutorial. I just smudged the colors that I've used recently under my eyes. So I'll be taking this blush palette. This is from Juvia's Place too. I'm just going to take this really nice pink blush. And for highlights, I'll be using the Gerald Cosmetics highlighting palette. I think this is in Dirty, and I love this highlighter because it's really so smooth. And I'm just going to highlight my face, make sure it's popping. Then to line my lips, I'll be using this Gerald lip pencil. I think it's a mud slide. I'm just going to line my lips with it. Then I'll be mixing these two lip cream from Gerald Cosmetics. I take this nude color, I just apply it on my lips first, smack my lips. Then the lighter color, I apply it just at the center of my lower lips, just to give it like that ombre effect. Then I'll use my fingers to blend it in because I don't want to smack it and it goes to the top one. I just wanted it below. So to set my face, I'll be using the Iconic setting spray, and it gives you all shades of glowiness. You are going to be glowy. So yeah, this is it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.